Powerball matrix 1 and 2 for 325 2026. Pick your numbers around the zeros. You could combine two numbers that share the same zero to make a two-digit number. For instance, this zero here, and a zero you find in this matrix. This matrix and this one here will work the same way. Then we diagonally connect the numbers 18, horizontally 2662, vertically 2332. Okay, now this particular matrix here was used for Powerball 323. Okay. Now, I drew my lines here from the ledges at a 45-degree angle. Okay, the same matrix is used for Powerball 323. Let's go over those numbers. Okay, so it's 12 is the first number. Okay. And let's see. Here's the green zero. Body yellow lines are 12, 12. Okay. Another 12 here. That's it. 28. 28 was here. They didn't hit the zero there. I don't know, but the 28's there. But the line did not highlight that zero as being important, so I did not color that in. No 28 here. That's not. I don't like that. It's not good. Here's good. Here's a good green zero. 28, 28. There's another 28 down here. Okay, 47 is the next number right here. 47, 47 by that green zero two times. Okay, 47, 47 by that green zero. 56, 63. Okay, 56 for this green zero. So there's 12, 12, and 56. So we actually had three numbers by that green zero. Okay, another 12 here. Okay, 56 is all over through here. I'm just going to color that one in green because I do that green, that green, that green. It's just too confusing. I'm trying to limit the amount of greens. Okay, so there's 56 here a couple times by that green zero. And one, of course, there's one. So we had, let's see here. What do we have here? That's this one here, 56. We had a 12 here and a 1. This one here we had 56 a couple times. This one here we had 47 and 12. This one here we had 28, 12, 56. This one here we had 47 two times. This one here 47 two times. I'm sorry, and 63. So the green zeros are valid. Okay, they're valid. Okay, and they're not going to be the same numbers this time. Okay, but these yellow lines are something, and the zeros next to the yellow lines are definitely highlighted zeros that you need to pay attention to. Okay, up here is 63 and the 12, but I don't know. I can't get that close to that zero because there's no line that goes up that far. I don't have an ledge. Okay, I'm going to do 0 to 0 matrix next. 0 to 0. Well, I do a 45-degree angle from each zero. And what zero points at the next zero, that's going to be highlighted as an important zero. Now, it may pick out the same zeros as the lines here do. I don't know. May find some different zeros to color in and highlight, hopefully. Well, this one here, I'm not going to be able to touch because that's a 45-degree angle. I'm not going to touch that zero up there. There's no way I can. But I can tell you that zero is going to be highlighted. That zero is going to be highlighted. That's going to be highlighted. This zero is going to be highlighted over here. And that zero is going to be highlighted. This zero now will become important. Okay, so there's use these two matrices here to cross-reference. Look at the green zeros. Okay, I'll just look at the green zeros for now. Okay, and it should be enough winning numbers there for the regular Powerball 11 o'clock. I'm going to have a subsequent matrix coming up. I'm going to go 0, 0. I'm going to use the same matrix. It might look a little confusing, but if you're really into the numbers here and you start looking at this, it does say something. The numbers do present themselves in a way that we're not used to looking at. So we have to look at them a different way. 45-degree angle. Okay, from the ledge. Highlights these zeros here. That's close to the line. This is on the line. This is on the line. But I don't like the outside edge zeros because 50% chance going to be a number there and 50% chance not going to be a number there. But I know there's going to be 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 numbers here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. Okay? If that's enough for you, then just play with this, okay? I'm going to do 0, 0 next. Okay, so always remember, play on paper, save your money. This is for entertainment purposes only. See ya.